Hello, my name is Michael Mischka and I'm sitting here with Dan Mayo and Falk Rieker, and we're talking about how real is your data. The first question to Dan, so in banking, why and where does speed matter in the banking industry?
I think one of the key changes we've seen is just in terms of customer expectations of how customers are looking to interact with the bank, particularly with a move towards online banking and now increasingly mobile banking. Customers are expecting that experience to be instant, to be real time, like they get with other services they're consuming with those devices. And the days when you apply for something and then you have to wait 2 or 3 days for the bank to come back to you are well and truly gone. Consumers are wanting real-time kind of access now, and this is something that banks are going to have to kind of wrestle and get their heads around.
Right. Falk, with that in mind, what are the sort of challenges and benefits of that real-time access to data for a bank?
Let me give you a couple of use cases we have been working on with banks. So some are really front-end related regarding customer service, having the information at the fingertip of the bank teller, the advisors, coming up with the right offerings. Some of them are middle office related, back-end related. For example, when it comes around fraud analytics, suspicious transactions, which you need to catch at the point when they happen and not the day later, then it's too late. And when you think about areas like capital markets, speed is everything. Yeah? So we are talking about nanoseconds that matter to get a better deal. And same with risk analytics during trading activities. So front office, middle office, back office, there are many, many use cases in banks where speed to information really matters.
Talking from a consumer perspective, that would be my last question to you, Dan. Let's assume the industry, the banks are now able to have the data faster, to process them much quicker than before. What would you envisage on the consumer side? What kind of services maybe are possible for banks to execute if they would have that sort of fast data pipeline?
Well, I think it actually allows the banks to provide a huge range of new services compared to what has been, certainly when you look at mobile online banking, has really just been a replication of what they used to do in the branch or contact centre. You're able to provide kind of forecasting tools to help with the consumers with their actual own financial planning, and a huge range of tools that actually can provide value to the customer beyond the traditional banking services. And in the current environment, that is something to be kind of savoured, I think, for the banks as a huge opportunity.
With this interesting thought, Dan, I'm thanking you, and Falk, thank you very much for having you here. Thanks.
Thank you.